How to extend the lifespan of your laptop, a simple guide. During the COVID-19 pandemic, laptops become an essential part of our daily lives. They are typically used at work or even for studying purposes. Like any other electronic equipment and gadgets, it is important to take good care of them in order to prolong their service life. Here at Shoppiverse PH, we will give you tips to help you take care of your laptop to extend its service life. 1. Keep it clean. Keeping your laptop clean is essential to ensure it looks good and functions correctly. Regularly clean your laptop's exterior with a soft cloth and a cleaning solution specifically made for electronics. Don't use harsh chemicals or water as they can damage the laptop's components. 2. Protect it. Protecting your laptop from scratches and bumps is essential to ensure it remains in good condition. If your laptop is not in use, it is much better to put them in a safe place rather than letting them sit on the table. If traveling with your laptop, you must use a laptop bag with proper padding to prevent shock and bumps along the way. It's also crucial to use a surge protector to protect your laptop from power surges and voltage spikes. 3. Avoid extreme temperatures. Laptops are sensitive to extreme temperatures, so it's crucial to keep them away from direct sunlight and avoid leaving them in hot cars or cold places for extended periods. High temperatures can cause the laptop's battery to degrade faster, and low temperatures can cause condensation that can cause corrosion, damaging the laptop's components. 4. Keep it cool. Laptops with high-speed processors tend to generate more heat, which is why it's important to ensure they have proper ventilation and airflow. Don't block the vents or place the laptop on soft surfaces like beds or cushions, which can obstruct airflow. Consider using a laptop cooling pad to improve airflow and prevent overheating. 5. Handle with care. Some laptops, especially thin ones, are fragile, so it's crucial to handle them with care. When you're carrying your laptop, hold it from the base and not from the screen. If possible, avoid dropping it or knocking it against hard surfaces. Laptops have delicate components, and a single drop can cause severe damage, especially to the screen. 6. Keep it updated. Regularly updating your laptop's operating system and antivirus software is essential to keep it secure and running smoothly. New updates fix bugs and security issues, and antivirus software helps protect your laptop from malware and viruses that can cause significant damage. 7. Avoid eating and drinking near your laptop. Accidental spills can cause severe damage to your laptop, so it's best to avoid eating and drinking near it. If you must eat or drink near your laptop, use a spill-proof container and keep it away from the laptop to prevent any accidental spills. In summary, this video provides tips for taking care of laptops to prolong their service life. Following these tips will help keep the laptop in good condition, secure, and running smoothly. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.